Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Just enjoying a very, very nice sunny Sunday, well, afternoon. So, one thing I wanted to kind of talk about is I've really grown to appreciate the no-speaking videos that I've been seeing. It's just a guy or gal out in the woods doing their thing. I'm really starting to dig those, because that's what you're, without the camera, that's what I would be doing anyway. So I like that atmosphere of just, hey, you don't have to talk if you don't need to. Just come out, do your thing, make your fire, cook your lunch. I mean, there are videos I'm going to have to talk in. I mean, I'm not going to just strictly go silent like Primitive Technology or anything, which is a great channel. I mean, there's still going to be videos where I'm going to be speaking and narrating, but so I think I'm going to try to do at least one of those, a couple of them every time I'm out, just because I really enjoy watching them. So this little channel update while I enjoy my tea. I'm going to get my lunch going here very soon. And it's such a nice day. Actually, I'm at a new spot because, as you can hear, there's no gunshots. I did hear a couple way off that way, but it was only like 5-6 shots maybe. Basically what I did is I drove up the usual road, and then I just kept going, and I went up a new Forest Service road. I thought I was going to have to get turned around and go back because it was just, it was steep, like really steep. I'll try to get some footage on my way out and show you, but it was, I was starting to think there weren't any campsites, but then this is sort of a pull-off road. Maybe I'll walk up and show you, but it's just the main road is over here, which is all gravel and Forest Service, and this is just sort of a turn-off. But there was a fire pit here, so I stopped. I seen a couple people on bicycles bombing up this road. I was like, wow, props. It can't be easy pedaling. And then only a couple of vehicles, but not really that many. One Forest Service vehicle, but he came down. I think he put in a new sign and he took off. I didn't come by and say hello or anything. I would have been more than happy to make him a cup of tea. So he didn't stop. He just kept going. Maybe he was busy or about to get off work, or maybe it was lunchtime. I don't know, but it's not a bad spot. It's a good spot for RVs and campers. Although it's on an incline, but I think they have, they can adjust them. I don't know if I'd tent camp here, just because it's so hilly. Not a lot of hammock spots unless you went into the trees here, but I mean, I suppose it's doable. You could probably get away with it. The other side of my truck, there looks like a couple of trees I could utilize for a hammock. We'll see, though. Let me get my lunch going, because it's already kind of late, and I'm getting pretty hungry. So, just wanted to throw that quick little video out there for you. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Gotta soak up my fire, too. Yeah, man, I do love using tongs. I got these little ones at the same cash and carry, which is, I guess, Food Services or something like that. They changed their name, I don't know why, but they were only 95 cents, so I grabbed them. And they're going to come in handy for what I've got for lunch, so. Get my fire stoked. Almost forgot to film this, but this is kind of what I was talking about when I said that I was, it's a turnoff. Well, what it is that there's a road that goes up this way, the main road that goes down, and then this just sweeps around and it comes out over there, and then that road continues on. I just don't know where though. Well, not yet. Hopefully there will be a little bit of scouting on a future trip. Sounds like a raven just freaking out. I don't know why he's squawking, but it's pretty nice up here, I have to say. What's really crazy is I was standing over there by the truck, you know, just by the tailgate, and I was cutting some wood for next time because, you know, waste not, want not. And a plane had flown across, but we were horizontal. For me, the plane was horizontal and it flew off over that way. That was crazy. I wish I'd gotten that on video, but here's this plane flying by. Oh, looks like my battery's dying. So I'm just down the road from where I was, like really not that far. The road goes around, but you can see how, if you can see through the trees here, you see how high up I am. You can hear the gunshots in the background, so that's how steep it is. Of course, my truck is right there. I'd be really interested in exploring this area at some point, seeing you know, what all is up here, if there are really any cool spots. Maybe a little bit secluded, we'll have to see. So, as time allows.